Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can easily fix the sound or audio problems that we are facing in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So if your sound or audio is not working, then this video is for you. Please do go to the taskbar, and there please locate your speaker icon, and then please make sure that you have unmuted the volume of the speaker. As you can see here, my speakers are in 83% volume. So please do the same. Just make a right click on that and then click on this open volume mixer. And then there you can adjust the sound of the system sounds just by dragging this button here to the maximum level, or just this one to the maximum level. And then just close this window after doing that. And then we will be going on with the device manager. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to the device manager option. Once you do that, you will get this small window coming up. This is a device manager window. All you need to do is just to go to the sound, video, and game controllers option. So once you click on that, and it says or it gives you the drivers for the audio and the microphone, please do select the sound or the main sound driver that you have there, and then please make a right click on the update driver button there, and then please do select the first option, search automatically for drivers, and then once it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then just close this window and then update or click on the update driver again, and then select the second one, which is browse my computer for drivers. Now that we will do this, let me pick from a list of available drivers, and here all you need to do is just to select the latest compatible hardware driver version that you have here, and then click on the next button. And then once it says that it is installing drivers and Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then you can now close this window here. And the next thing we need to do is to go to the audio device driver again, make a right click on uninstall button here, and then please make sure that you have this option checked, and then click on uninstall. Once clicking on that, you can now go back to this window, click on Action tab, click on Scan for hardware changes, and the uninstalled driver will now be back. Close this window, make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed after you're back. So the next thing you need to do is to go to to open again the speaker icon here. So please make a right click on that again, click on sound settings, and this time we will be going to the speakers option. So we will be going first with the speaker option. So please make a click here in the volume mixer. I'm sorry, it's the additional or more sound settings. Once you click on that, you will get this small window coming up. So here in the playback tab, all you need to do is just to select for the speakers option here, and then click on this properties option. And then the next thing we need to do is to go to this advanced tab, and then please make sure that you select the rate and bit depth that is compatible for you to use when running in shared mode. So just click on test here, button, so that you can test if the option here creates sounds or create sounds, or it produces sounds in your system. And then just try each of the options here, and then once you're done with this one, simply go to this window again. So after selecting an option, just please click on apply and then click on OK. And then after you have done that, go back to this window again, and please make sure that you have deselected or unselected the signal enhancements option here at the very bottom part. Please make sure that this is unchecked, enable audio enhancement, and then once you're done with this one, just close this window and then go again to the speaker icon. So just close this window here, go again to the speaker icon here in the taskbar, and then click on the troubleshoot sound problems button here. Once you do that, it will start diagnosing the problem, and it will automatically troubleshoot for you the sound problems that you have there in your device. And once you're done with this one, simply make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll see you again on the next one. Bye bye.